TikTok versus YouTube Shorts. Let's talk about how you can easily market your business with short form video and actually start attracting loads of people straight to your business. Well, my name is Karin Angelly from KarinAngelly.com. I teach and train network marketers how to build their business in the online space. And today I want to talk all about TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, all things short form video to help you figure out what you need to do in order to easily market your business with these different platforms. So listen, I'm here every single week giving you tips, tricks, and training on how to build your network marketing business. So go ahead and tap that subscribe button because I'd love to see you grow and help you in any way possible. So let's dive in because I got quite a bit to cover. Not only do I want to cover the why of why you should be using TikTok and YouTube Shorts, but I also want to cover how. I want to share with you how you can actually start creating videos so that you can actually start attracting people straight to you and actually start building a business that you love. First of all, let's talk about why short form video. Why is short form video so huge right now? And why should you jump on this train? Because I'm not going to lie to you, I was not ready to jump on the short form video train. However, when YouTube Shorts really started to take off, I really started to get curious about short form video because I thought maybe this could be a great way for me to grow my business. Now, as I started playing around with YouTube Shorts, I realized that I really didn't know what the heck I was doing. And I knew that if I needed to get the best training possible, I needed to step foot on TikTok and see what was working over there and see if it translated to other platforms. And I was literally just completely amazed, shocked, surprised, excited really is the big word. I was excited about what short form video could start doing for not only my business, but for your business as well. So why snackable short videos? The big reason is because people's attention spans, they're just like in the toilet at this point. Literally, people want to get information as fast as possible. And short form video is literally one of the easiest ways to consume content quickly. We have gotten into this cultural place where we just don't want to spend a lot of time learning how to do things. And so if we can get information quickly, then we're happier, right? Like we're happy that we learned how to do something silly in a 5-second video. We're happy that we didn't take a long time trying to figure out how to do something. That's the reason that short form video is literally exploding right now. Not only that, but Gen Z, the new young generation coming up, they're literally eating up this content. They're creating it like crazy because they're having fun with it, but also they're starting to realize that they're able to make money with short form video as well. I know quite a few 20, 22-year-olds that are making 6 figures in their business with short form video, okay? This is huge. And if a 20-year-old can do it, you can absolutely do it as well. So not only are you getting content quickly in a short period of time, but you're also able to get your face in front of more people. The TikTok algorithm is actually super special when it comes to that. What I've discovered is that if you want to grow your brand quickly, the TikTok algorithm knows what's up. If you are doing your research, you know your content, you know your audience, and you're sharing that in short form video, you can quickly generate a pretty massive audience of people that want to connect with you. And what I'm starting to do is I'm getting that audience of people on TikTok, but I'm actually directing them back to YouTube as well, because with TikTok, I can actually get them and get in front of more people quickly, but then I also want to cultivate that relationship with people. I actually want to connect with them on a deeper level. And that's the beauty of putting short form video plus long form video together and creating this really cool ecosystem where people can really get to know, like, and trust you and ultimately want to buy your products and your services. So let's talk about the how, because I feel like this is super important. When I first started doing short form video, I really had no idea what I was doing. And looking back, I kind of see like big things that I was doing wrong and what I'm doing now that's actually working with not only my TikToks, but also with my YouTube Shorts. So one of the biggest things that I could impress upon you right now is make sure that your short form video is short, okay? So I kept thinking to myself, oh, I have a minute to create a short form video. And so I love to talk. I love to connect with people. And so I would use that whole minute. What I'm discovering is that if you can create content that's easily consumable, that's actionable right away, that people can get great content from and do something with in 15 seconds or less, you're actually winning, okay? That 15-second benchmark, I always try to get my videos less than 15 seconds, okay? Literally, if I can do this, I know that I'm creating content that people are most likely gonna watch and not get bored with. The maximum that I allow myself to do is 20 seconds, okay? 20 seconds, if I'm getting close to that 20-second mark, I start to cut things out of my video and see what maybe I need to shoot it again, or how can I say this more concisely and get my point across, help somebody learn something in a quick segment. But here's the thing. What I'm learning about all things marketing online is that if it works for me, it might not work for you. So test it. See if longer videos, like 30-second videos, do better for you. What I'm learning though is that if you're brand new on these platforms, you're doing YouTube shorts or you're doing TikToks or Reels, the shorter, the better, okay? So really focus on keeping your content 15 seconds or less. The other thing you wanna be doing is you wanna be actually using trending sounds. Trending sounds are literally going to help your content go to the next level. If your sound is trending, places like TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Reels is gonna see that that sound is trending, and it's more likely going to push that content to other places for more people to see. Now, if you're curious, how do I figure out if a sound is trending or not? I want to know, are you curious? How do you figure out how a sound is trending? Let me know in the comments, because I actually am curious if this is something that you want to learn how to do, because I've actually figured out pretty detailed how to figure out when a sound is trending or not. So let me know in the comments if this is something that you're actually curious about, if you want to learn how to do this for yourself. Now let's talk about the perfect video outline, because literally this is incredibly crucial whether you're doing short form or long form video. You've got to have a good outline for your video that's going to keep people watching longer, wanting to connect with you more, and wanting to buy your products. So when you're looking at the outline of your video, the first thing that comes out of your mouth is your hook, okay? This is literally what is getting people to watch more from you. They either hear your hook and they're bored immediately, or they start to get curious and they want to watch the whole thing to figure out what you have to say. Some examples of some really good hooks are things like, I wish I knew this sooner. 5 things you might be doing wrong in your business. I bet you didn't know this. Or how to blank without blank. So you basically tell somebody how to create a solution. Maybe they want to grow an audience, how to grow an audience online without, and the pain point of spending hours on social media or spending hours messaging people on social media, okay? We're literally getting to pain points that our audience might have. And if we're creating some sense of curiosity around this, we're going to get people to watch our entire video and then most likely want to learn more from us or buy some of our products that might help with a solution to their issue. So we start with the hook, then we get to the buildup, okay? This is where we start to really drive in that pain point of what somebody might be struggling with, okay? So the pain point of what I mentioned before was messaging people all day on social media, okay? So we can ask the question of, have you ever felt like you are constantly messaging people all day long? Let me share with you what I discovered to help me keep from doing this all day, okay? Figure out how you can say that in a concise, amazing hook that really grabs people and gets people to actually want to connect with you a little bit more. Once we've created a hook, we've built up around that hook, now it's time to actually give some value to our audience. Give them some actionable steps that they can do right now. What I've discovered is that if I can give actionable steps that people can take action on right now and start seeing quick results, they're more likely to be interested in watching my content. So figure out how you can get an actionable thing behind your content. So say you have a skincare product that can really help clear up acne, okay? Really figure out how you can create a hook, build up around that hook, and then give them some value around skincare tips, okay? So for example, are you 25 years old and you feel like your skin is like a 14-year-old's? Here's what you can do about it. Then give them some value around skincare and some things that they can do, like wash your face every day. Now, these are really simple, but think about how you can really focus in on your niche, on your product, on your service, and how you can actually make it so that somebody is intrigued and wants to know more within that 15-second slot, okay? Really gonna help you create an audience of people that want to know more from you if you can give them some quick, actionable, valuable tips that they can do right now. Maybe there's something in their diet that they can cut that's going to help with their skincare needs, okay? And then at the end of the video, the most important thing that you want to do is actually create a call to action, okay? Now is the time where you can actually ask them to follow you for more information. You can have them comment, ask questions. You can share that you have a link in your bio that you can actually sell products to them with. Literally, this is where you tell people what you want at this point, okay? So really focus on getting all of that information. That's quite a bit of information. Really focus on how you can really slim it down into a 15-second clip. Now, if you're curious how to do this, you can actually go ahead in the description and you can see I actually have a link to my TikTok where you can actually check out my TikTok and you can actually see how I'm doing this in 15-second short videos. So listen, friend, I bet that this was a lot of information for you, and I'm really excited about what YouTube Shorts and TikTok can actually do to help you grow your business. But I actually have a really special free training that I want to share with you as well. If you take a look in the description below, you can actually find a link to a training, a webinar training that I did that teaches you how to actually start using video to attract leads and sales straight to your business completely on autopilot, where you get customers, where you get business builders, and where you get leads that are asking about your products, your service, your business, and want to connect with you further. So go ahead, take a look at that link in the description, because I want to see you grow. I want to help you grow your business in the online space, because I know that you have some pretty amazing things that you want to accomplish in your life. Now go build your unicorn empire.